In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor in Bill.com. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you feel confident setting up any new vendor and choosing the right payment method for them. First, once you're logged in to your Bill.com account, look for the main navigation menu. This is usually along the top or left side of the screen, depending on your layout. From that menu, click on Vendors. This is the central place where all of your payees are stored and where you'll manage vendor information going forward. On the Vendors page, you'll see a list of any existing vendors. To add a new one, find and click the button labeled Add Vendor. This opens up a new vendor profile form where you'll enter the details for the vendor you want to pay. Start by typing in the vendor's name and any basic details Bill.com asks for on this screen. Take a moment to double-check spelling and make sure you're using the name that will appear on invoices or checks. Once you've filled in the required fields on this page, click Continue to move on. Bill.com will now try to see if that vendor already exists in its network. If you don't see your vendor listed, or if none of the suggestions match exactly, choose the option that says, My vendor isn't listed here. Selecting this tells Bill.com that you want to continue setting up this vendor manually without connecting to an existing profile. Next, you'll choose how you want to pay this vendor. Typically, you'll see options like electronic payments, often called e-payments or traditional paper checks. If your vendor prefers faster, electronic payments and is able to receive them, select e-payments and enter all required banking or account details carefully. Make sure you have the information directly from the vendor and verify it, since this is where their funds will be sent. If the vendor prefers to be paid by paper check, or if you don't have their electronic details, choose the paper check option instead. When you select paper checks, you'll be asked to enter the vendor's physical mailing address. This should be the address where they want to receive checks, which may be different from their office location, so it's worth confirming with them. After you've entered all the necessary information for your chosen payment method, review everything one more time to make sure it's accurate. When you're satisfied, click Save and Add Vendor. Bill.com will create the new vendor profile, and from this point on, you'll be able to select this vendor whenever you create and schedule payments.